Hi, my name is Robert Hudson, the owner of PetRadioShow.com. Today I'm going to tell you about the Bissell ICONpet Cordless Vacuum. Now, I rarely endorse products, but I absolutely love this vacuum from Bissell. It is the most powerful cordless vacuum I've ever found. It was designed to remove pet hair from traffic areas and tight, hard-to-reach places. Now, I have the smallest bedroom in history, I think. Smaller than some closets. It barely fits a bed, recliner, and a desk. Now, vacuuming has been a challenge. The small swivel head on a long, skinny neck makes maneuvering in such a tight place easy. The hair, dirt, and anything else in its path is sucked up into a receptacle that is easy to remove and snaps back into place. The roller brush is designed to be tangle-free when sucking up hair and is easy to clean. It has a plug-in charger and a wall-mounted storage and charging rack. It is simple, solid construction, and works like a charm. 5 stars and highly recommended. Its retail price is $349, but the going price is about $100 less. See more at our website, PetRadioShow.com, and listen to more podcasts on our YouTube channel.